Kep, a popular tourist destination in southern Cambodia, is famous for its crab dishes. This time, we will bring you a glimpse into the life of a fishing village near Kep and its crab cuisine, away from the eyes of typical tourists. Another thing we are introducing is Krueng, the foundation of Cambodian cuisine.
Very small part.
It is a versatile base, much like Japanese miso, but it is actually handmade at home. This cooking process is surprisingly laborious. We will show you the making of Krueng, which is said to require the cooperation of the whole family. A boat that caught crabs has just come in. There are so many crabs. They are freshly caught. Amazing! There are so many of them. They tie them up after catching them, don't they? Trapeang Ropov is a fishing village in southern Cambodia. It is located near Kep, a popular tourist spot known for its crab dishes. The Maimai family, whom we interviewed this time, are crab merchants. Fishermen come by boat to sell the crabs they have just harvested. Surprisingly, the house itself serves as a landing point, and they conduct business right at home. Those with eggs seem to be released to avoid decreasing the catch volume. This is medium size, and this is large size. She is sorting them. It seems they are bought based on weight. Maimai is doing the calculations. She looks like the female proprietor of a crab wholesale business. The payment has been made. So, the Maimai family's job is to buy crabs caught by fishermen and sell them to the market. Today I came to the factory where Maimai's mother-in-law works, where they extract crab meat. I am going to take a tour of the factory. Thank you for having me.
You can see the crab.
Amazing! They peel the wells so quickly. It's the skill of a professional. The crabs shipped from here are said to be sold in Vietnam. I heard they strictly follow hand-washing protocols to maintain hygiene and high quality. Now she is going to make a sauce. Tuk Tre Kokong.
Garlic.
She is crushing the garlic. She is going to mix chili into this. Since I am not good with spicy food, I asked them to use only one. She plans to mix seasoning, sugar, and fish sauce. She cuts the lime, adds sugar, and start pounding it. Then she adds the lime. She adds 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Tuk Tre Kokong is ready! These are crabs from the Maimai family. She selects large ones and boils them. The boiled crab and the dipping sauce, tuk tre kokong, are ready. Next, I'll have Maimai show me the absolute basics of Cambodian cooking. It's called Krueng. Like Japanese miso, it is a herb paste that serves as the foundation for many Cambodian home-cooked meals. It's made by pounding and mashing lemongrass, galangal, and turmeric. We were shown the making of this krueng and the home-style stew called Samlor Korko that uses it. Another key player that enhances Samlor Korko is roasted rice. Don't miss it! First, we start with the base of the aroma, making the krueng.
In Khmer we call rundeng.
Rundeng?
Yeah, rundeng. And lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
In Khmer we call slakrai. Slakrai sai.
Slakrai sai.
Yes. It's champion
Champion.
from my hometown. My mother.
It seems she is doing a special cooking session with this vegetable set for the Krueng.
まず根っこの先を切ってそっちを捨てるの
Wait, are you throwing that part away?
You can just eat and throw it away.
いや根っこを切って周りの硬い殻
She is cutting the roots and throwing away the hard outer husks.
青い部分と白い部分を仕分
She
けして
separates the green and
捨て
white
ちゃうんだ
parts. Wow, she threw that away too.
It's a different way from other people. It is my way.
インタレスティングはいあれだけあったんですけど
There
これ
was
だけ
so
になりました
much,
ね
but it's reduced to just this much.
White ginger.
Ginger. White ginger.
Raw ginger. You can smell it.
Smell
Different smell from
違いますねdifferent
It may be called white ginger.
white ginger
Yes.
white ginger っていう普通の生姜とは違う匂いをする別の
It's a different food with a different smell than regular ginger.
はいガーリックですね
This is garlic.
レモングラスを刻みます
Now chopping the lemongrass.
そしてこのすり鉢に入れます
She put the chopped lemongrass into the mortar.
タマリンドもカットして入れました
She also cut and added turmeric.
この葉っぱもカットしていきます
She is cutting these leaves as well.
はいルンデインも中に入れました
She also put the white ginger and galangal inside.
そしてすり鉢で叩きます
And then she pounded it with the
黄
mortar.
色くなってきましたね
It's turning
マイマイ
yellow.
の手も黄色く
Maimai's hands are also turning yellow.
手によってはココナッツミルクを入れたりもするよ
Some families add coconut milk,
マイマイ家ではココナッツミルクは入れないです
but the Maimai family says they don't.
ガーリックを入れて
Adding garlic and crushing it. Cooking Krueng is finished. Next, she will make Ongkor Ling, the roasted rice that provides the richness and aroma for the stew.
焦げ茶色になるまで米を
She says she roasts the rice until it turns dark
何も
brown.
入れてない米だけで炒めてる
She doesn't add anything.
香ばしい匂いがしてきましたよ
A fragrant smell has started to waft out.
お米をいったお菓子みたいなそんな匂いです
It smells like those rice-based snacks sold in Japan.
本当に茶色っぽくなりました
It really turned brownish. Really nice.
Ongkor Ling.
アンカーリン
Yes.
It's called Ongkor Ling.
はいこうやって少しずつ
Finally, she mixed the herb paste Krueng and the roasted rice Ongkor Ling to make the stew Samlor Korko,
豚肉をカットします
cutting the pork.
結構力
This looks like it requires quite a bit of strength.
おおいろんな野菜がもうすでにミックスされてます
pumpkin,
mixed vegetable.
Various vegetables are already mixed together.
fruit.
Jackfruit.
Yeah.
It looks like jackfruit, papaya,
But it's a kind of eggplant too.
Eggplant.
Yeah, but it's bold. It's small.
ボール型のナス。
and ball-shaped eggplants.
切ったお米ですね。これをこうブレンダーの中に入れます。
Putting the roasted rice into the blender.
機械で混ぜます。It's like powder.
It's like powder.
こうやって少しずつ、砕いたお米を混ぜていきます。
She is adding the crushed rice little by little like this.
大変だな、これ。
This is tough. Hard work.
いやー、大変でしたね、この下準備。
That was really tough.
これからが料理の本番ということで。
Finally, the main cooking
してい
starts.
くのか楽しみ
I'm
です
looking forward to seeing how it goes.
クルーン。
はい、クルーを入れます。
Adding the crung.
はい。おー。あっち。
Whoa, the oil is splattering.
フィッシュソースを入れます。
Then adding the fish sauce.
Nice smell, right?
いやー、good smell。
Good smell.
Soup.
はい、スープを入れます。
Soup stock.
スープの素ですね。
Ghee.
金、
Ghee.
Is like
豚肉です。おー、豪快に全部入れちゃいました。
Pork. She just threw it all in heartily.
sugar.
シュガー。砂糖
She
入れ
adds
ますね
sugar too.
シーズニング。
Yeah.
はい、シーズニングも入れます。
Also seasoning.
塩ですね、塩。
Salt. Okay, stirring it in. Ghee. Baby shrimp.
いやー、手の込んだ料理です
It's
ね。
an intellectually dish.
水を入れるん
She
ですね、
adds
ここで。
water.
はい。よその家庭ではココナッツミルクを入れたりするらしいんですけど、
In other homes, they might add coconut milk,
マイマイ家はココナッツミルクは使わないそうです。
but the Maimai family doesn't use it.
はい、ここから煮込んでいきます。
All right, she will simmer it from here.
そして野菜を入れていき
And
ま
now adding the vegetables.
す。豪快。
So bold.
全部入れちゃいますね。
She puts them all in.
全部入れちゃいます。
Yes, throwing it all in.
はい。こんな感じで煮込み料理ができてきました。
The stew has come together like this.
だいぶ柔らかくなってそうですね。
It seems to have become quite soft. Cooking the stew Samlor Korko is finished.
Maimai家のカニのおろし。
These are crabs from the Maimai family's wholesale.
そのカニをいただきます。
They might have been caught by fishermen today.
何もつけなくて食べても
It tastes delicious even without anything.
塩味がこんのり効いてます。
There's a hint of saltiness.
そしてさっき作ってもらったソースをつけて食べます。
And now the sauce made earlier. I'll eat it with the sauce.
スパイシ
Spicy.
ー。はい。リルビットスパイシーですけど、オッケーオッケーオッケー。
It's a little bit
Hi.
spicy.
さすがにチリ1本だけでも
One
そ
chili.
れなりワンチリでも
Even one chili is spicy for me.
でも単なるただ辛いみたいな感じ
But it's not just purely spicy.
こう酸味も効いていて
It's a little bit sour.
刺激があるみたいな。
It has acidity and is stimulating.
なんかジュースかなみたいな一口目は
At the first sip, I thought it might be
後
juice,
でやっぱり辛いのがドンときます。
but then the spiciness hits hard later.
シンプルなフィッシュソースで食べてみます。
I'll try the simple fish sauce.
Salty.
こっちは辛くはなくてすごくソルティ塩味が。
This one isn't spicy and is very salty.
ただもともとカニが
However, since the crab is already a bit salty, it's perfectly delicious as is.
ではこのシチューですね。
Now I'm going to try this stew.
タバコと飲みます。はい。
Yes,
サムローココ。
Samlor Korko.
ココナッツは入ってないですけど、まろやかな味ですね。
Coconut isn't in it, but it has a mellow taste.
全く辛みとかないです。
There's no spiciness at all.
まろやかな味なんで、
It's such a mellow flavor that it really makes you want to keep eating. I wonder if it's beans. The base of the overall impression is the soft texture of simmered beans or potatoes. In Japan, it's like putting white stew over rice. This is a snack called Nom Hoing. It's a simple fried snack made of flour and sesame with a taste like a slightly less sweet Japanese karinto. But it's soft. It feels light, so once you start eating, you can't stop. It's a dangerous snack for me. This is a snack called Nom Domlong Aeng. Cassava, coconut, and sesame are mixed, steamed once, and then grilled over charcoal. The outside is fragrant, and the inside has that unique, fluffy texture of cassava. It's like a grilled yam bun. Thank you for the meal! The preparation for the Krueng was so hard. The tuk tray kokong was spicy. In this area, it seems the crab catch has been decreasing recently. Small crabs and those with eggs were being released. I thought it was a very important initiative. Oh, by the way, I found a strange-looking shell at the market. Well, to be more precise, it might look strange to all of you, but it's actually a very nostalgic shell for me. Next time, I hope to introduce this strange shell and the cooking that goes with it. Please support the Cambodian crab industry. Thank you for watching.
Curiosity connects us all. If you love discovering real culture, please subscribe this channel